Hey, what's up, YouTube? Black Feather back at it again. Um, I just wanted to show you guys another play that I got into the past month. Um, it was Bob. It was one of the ones that I found using like the regular method I use, like going to crypto bubbles. I saw it was ticking upwards, so it piqued my interest because a lot of meme coins was running at the time. One of them was, I know Pepe was going up, then Pepe Community Coin, uh, and then I saw this one. I was like, take a shot on it, and it met the technical requirements too. So uh, I'll show you guys the chart. So right here on this chart, this is when I got into it, and as you can see, I'll expand this. So this is the MACD. So as you can see, the MACD crossed right here, and I can put a vertical line right there just to show you guys. So as you can see, the MACD cross right there. Uh, so it crossed right there, and this about happened right here. And I saw that it started expanding, like as the blue line started separating from the bottom orange line. So I was like, okay, this is getting momentum. So I got in on this green bullish candle right here at the beginning of the day. And as you can see, let me decrease this. So I got in about right there. And as you can see from right there all the way to the highs, and look at that, guys, that was only about, a week. I was up 113% on this play. Uh, so like I said, once you know what you're doing, uh, once you like follow a plan, if you have your own trading journal, following your own metrics that you set up for yourself, and once you trade based on the charts, it becomes really, I don't want to say easy, but it becomes like more structured. It gives you a better winning opportunity. Um, so yeah, that was Bob that I got into. It gives you, like I said, when you do it this way, it takes a lot of the emotions out of it. You buy it when this crosses above, and then when the RSI gets hot, I'll do another vertical line. When the RSI got hot right there, which is this big bullish candle, you would have took some profits, or that's what I do. I would have took some 10% profits right there, just respecting the RSI. And then as it pulled back, when the MACD finally crosses, the MACD doesn't cross negatively to right there. So I'd have got out the rest of my position right there. So that would have been about 80% on the trade total. And I would have missed all this downside, that happened after that. Because as you can see, once it crossed, now it's getting negative momentum. The trade is probably, according to probability, going to work out against you. So that's why I got out when the MACD crosses. And as you can see, because you also need to look at these candles, so you can see it's losing momentum with the volume. You can see it's really bright green, then light green, light green, light green, going down, down, down. Now it's bright red, 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 and now that's what you want to avoid. As they say, buy low, sell high. So that's what this strategy allows you to do. It lets you get a lot of the upside and you miss a lot of the downside. Um, so yeah, that's Bob. I'm going to be doing more plays. Like I said, with crypto, these plays usually take out anywhere. Uh, these plays usually work out anywhere from about a week, 2 weeks, 3 weeks to a month at the latest. Maybe a month and a half at the latest. Um, that's really all you have. As much time as you have to wait to watch these play out. If you really get into a good one that uh, meets all the indicators that you're using. For me, that would be the MACD, the RSI, and some moving averages. So once that happens, you're really giving yourself a really good chance to make some profit. Um, But like I said, you're going to have to do the work. So, as I say, a lot of the work starts right here. You're going to have to click on each one of these coins and just go through them and chart them out and chart them out. And that's what it is. You're going to be doing it for maybe, hours just going through it. And then when you finally see a setup, it's going to take, a couple weeks to play out. I don't want to say a couple weeks, but, it's usually going to work out pretty fast for you with crypto because that's the opportunity that you have. Now, obviously, none of this is a guarantee because this is trading markets. So you don't want to, bet the house on it or do anything outside of your risk tolerance. But that's really what you're gonna get with crypto if you know what you're doing. You don't want to, you know, FOMO into something like Starlink. When something is already up 2,000, you don't want to FOMO in because then you're just gonna catch the downside and you know catch that big red candle, and you aren't gonna like it. You're gonna lose all that money you just had to make over the course of 2 weeks with your paycheck. Um, so, like I said, I'm going to be posting more plays that I'm getting into. These are just plays that I did the last couple, month, 2 months that I was in. So stay tuned for more content like this. I'm going to be posting, a couple videos every day, um, maybe a couple videos every other day. I'm going to try and stay consistent on here, keep giving you guys content, and I'm just going to show you the methodology that I use and the methods, the strategies, the indicators, what I'm thinking of when I'm getting into something, and how I'm going to do like short-term and long-term trades. So, in a later video, I'm going to show you guys how I use leverage trading. It can be a really good opportunity, uh, especially with crypto. You can make a lot of money really fast, and you don't even need that much. But I'll get into that for another video. Thank you guys for tuning in. Happy holidays, stay blessed, and I'll get at you later.